Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 24 canvas and I will be using some leftover metallics from a previous pour. The colors that are in the cup, I have a rose that is from Anita's. I have blue topaz from FolkArt, and then these two were mixed together, and I have a sapphire and blue pearl. And the plan is I will be dumping the leftover paint onto the canvas and then doing an infusion or injection of white paint underneath the leftover paint. And my white paint is Artisl Loft Flow Acrylic, and all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, and I think I may have added just a touch of water, just a few drops, and that's probably it. And also the leftover paint has some 3-in-1 silicone added to it. Alright, so I'm going to get started. Alright guys, so there it is. I love this technique. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day.